Revamp your life goals ahead of 2025. Life goals are not static. Our priorities and aspirations evolve as we grow, learn, and experience life. Revamping your life goals is essential to aligning with your current values, circumstances, and vision for the future. With 2025 approaching, now is the perfect time to reflect, redefine, and reset your goals to ensure you're on track to live a purposeful and fulfilling life. This essay will guide you through reassessing your life goals, understanding their significance, and implementing actionable strategies to revamp them for success in 2025. Why revamping life goals is essential. 1. Life changes constantly. Over time, circumstances change, and so do our priorities. A goal you set 5 years ago may no longer align with your current reality. For example, a career aspiration you once had might now feel out of sync with your values, or a personal milestone might no longer hold the same meaning. Regularly revisiting and updating your goals ensures they reflect who you are today. 2. Renewed clarity and motivation. Revamping your goals provides an opportunity to clarify your direction. Clear goals reignite your sense of purpose and provide a fresh source of motivation. They help you move forward with intention rather than drifting aimlessly. 3. Overcoming stagnation. Sometimes, we lose momentum or feel stuck because we're pursuing outdated goals that no longer inspire us. Revamping your goals can help you break free from stagnation and create a renewed sense of energy and focus. Step 1. Reflect on your current life. Before setting new goals, take time to reflect on your current situation. This process involves evaluating your achievements, challenges, and priorities. 1. Assess your accomplishments. Look back at the goals you've already achieved. What are you proud of? Recognizing your accomplishments builds confidence and highlights the past strategies that worked for you. 2. Identify areas for improvement. Reflect on areas where you feel unfulfilled or behind. Are there goals you've neglected? Are there habits or behaviors that have held you back? Being honest about your challenges provides a starting point for growth. 3. Understand your current priorities. What matters most to you right now? Your priorities may have shifted due to changes in relationships, career, health, or personal interests. Clarifying your current values will help you set meaningful and relevant goals. Step 2. Envision your ideal 2025. To create goals that inspire and motivate you, it's important to envision what success looks like by the end of 2025. 1. Picture your ideal life. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life in December 2025. Where are you living? What does your daily routine look like? What have you achieved in your career, health, relationships, and personal growth? 2. Define success in key areas. Break down your vision into specific areas, such as career. What position or accomplishments do you want to have? Health. How do you envision your physical and mental well-being? Relationships. What kind of connections do you want to nurture? Personal growth. What skills, hobbies, or knowledge do you want to develop? Finances. Where do you want to be regarding savings, investments, or debt reduction? Lifestyle. What experiences, travel plans, or lifestyle changes do you want to embrace? 3. Write down your vision. Documenting your vision makes it tangible and provides a clear reference point as you set goals. Be as detailed as possible to create a vivid picture of your goal. Step 3. Set SMART goals. Once you have a vision for 2025, the next step is to translate it into actionable goals. The SMART framework ensures your goals are specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Include metrics to track progress. Achievable. Ensure your goals are realistic and within your reach. Relevant. Align your goals with your long-term vision and current values. Time-bound. Set deadlines to create urgency and focus. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a SMART goal. I will save $10,000 by December 2025 by setting aside $400 per month and reducing discretionary spending. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," set a SMART goal. I will run a 5K by June 2025 by training thrice weekly. Step 4. Break down your goals. Big goals can feel overwhelming, so breaking them down into smaller, actionable steps is essential. 1. Create milestones. Divide your goal into milestones or checkpoints. For example, goal: launch a side business by December 2025. Milestone 1. Research business ideas by February 2025. Milestone 2. Develop a business plan by April 2025. Milestone 3. Secure funding by July 2025. Milestone 4. Launch the business by December 2025. 2. Set weekly or monthly tasks. Break milestones into smaller tasks that you can tackle weekly or monthly. Consistent progress, no matter how small, adds up over time. Step 5. Build habits that support your goals. Habits are the foundation of success. They create the structure and consistency needed to achieve your goals. 1. Focus on keystone habits. Keystone habits are behaviors that positively influence other areas of your life. Examples include regular exercise, which improves physical and mental health; morning routines, which set the tone for a productive day; journaling, which fosters self-awareness and clarity. 2. Use habit tracking tools. Track your habits to stay accountable and motivated. Use a physical habit tracker, an app like Habitica or Streaks, or a bullet journal to monitor your progress. Step 6. Create a system for accountability. Accountability keeps you focused and ensures you follow through on your commitments. 1. Share your goals. Tell a trusted friend, family member, or mentor about your goals. Sharing your intentions creates a sense of accountability and provides a support system. 2. Join a community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share similar goals. Whether it's a fitness group, professional network, or online forum, community involvement provides encouragement and accountability. 3. Schedule regular check-ins. Set aside time to review your progress weekly or monthly. Reflect on your achievements, challenges, and next steps. Adjust your plan as needed to stay on track. Step 7. Overcome obstacles. Challenges are inevitable, but you can overcome them with the right mindset and strategies. 1. Manage procrastination. Procrastination often stems from fear or feeling overwhelmed. Combat it by breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Setting deadlines to create urgency. Rewarding yourself for completing tasks. 2. Stay motivated. Motivation can waver over time, so it's important to remind yourself of your why. Create a vision board, write affirmations, or revisit your goals regularly to stay inspired. 3. Embrace flexibility. Life is unpredictable, and goals may need to be adjusted. If a plan isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot. Flexibility allows you to adapt while staying aligned with your broader vision. Step 8. Celebrate your wins. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, reinforces positive behavior and boosts motivation. Take time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for reaching milestones. The transformative power of revamping your goals. Revamping your life goals ahead of 2025 isn't just about setting new objectives, it's about embracing growth, aligning with your true self, and creating a roadmap for a fulfilling future. When you take the time to reflect, plan, and act with intention, you empower yourself to achieve success and live a life of purpose. Conclusion: revamping your life goals ahead of 2025 is a transformative process that requires reflection, vision, and action. You can create a clear path towards success by assessing your current situation, envisioning your ideal future, setting smart goals, and building supportive habits. Remember, life is a journey, and goals are meant to evolve with you. Stay flexible, celebrate your progress, and remain committed to your vision. With a proactive approach and a growth mindset, 2025 can be the year you achieve your dreams and live the life you've always imagined. Start today and let 2025 be the year you transform your aspirations into reality. The future is yours to create. Make it extraordinary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.